Last day at the house. Everything's packed up and in the van, except for that. Everyone's pretty much gone. There's no more cars. Sad face, but I'm still here for another week because I'm here with Kia. But I think we might have 2 more shoots today left if I have the energy. I really have 0 energy, so we'll see if that happens. But Australia's been amazing so far. Everyone's been really cool, so we might go do 2 more shoots today, and if so, I'll show you guys behind the scenes of that. If not, maybe I'll just go eat food for 10 hours and I'll show you guys that. Bye. Hope you find your dad. Hey, son.
Hi, Dad. My seatbelt's on too.
Hey, hubby.
Thanks. Hey, has our son been good?
I've tried to.
Does he deserve Macca's?
We better feed him.
Yeah, look, I'm fading away to nothing. I'm skinny enough as it is. He's starving me.
Finesse the spot real quick. So, I don't know how. It's the Monday after status so far. We have our first 2 shoots today. We're doing 2 more. We're shooting Mitch's S2K and then maybe Rochelle's BRZ. But this morning we're looking for a place to shoot. We came like just outside of Melbourne to a St. Kilda, and we just kind of pulled up on this sand spot that's in like a park, and the gate was open, and the people that were working here were just like, okay. So we're just gonna try to do this pretty quick and grab some feature shots because this looks pretty fire. So I gotta set up the movie real quick. Yeah, cut your wheels straight. Go, yeah, straighten out your wheels. And go straight, drive straight. Cut to the right a little bit. All right, now cut back left and come back.
Oh, they're all no one would have a car that low. You couldn't drive it anywhere.
Oh, you'd be surprised.
No, not like that. That would just be ridiculous. You would just wreck so much, so quickly, so easily. Oh, well, good luck with the repair job.
Thank you, miss.
In about 10 minutes if we get it working.
That's nice. Whose car is it?
It's my car. I ripped my fucking car apart. Hey, I did everything myself. No, just copy, internet.
I used to have a Prelude, before.
You got a Prelude?
Oh, yeah. We had some issues with Mitch's car while we've been shooting here. It's been a little while. His air ride wouldn't go up. It doesn't have air. So we now bridge that fuse with a bobby pin. It's people have been coming up asking to buy it. People have been asking what it is. It's a Honda S2000. I guess they don't have too many Hondas out here in Australia. We're just chilling right now, just relaxing, not rushing today. Just kind of taking things easy. But Mitch, come back. So we finished up with Mitch's S2K, and then we dropped off Jet at the airport, or Sarah picked him. Our friend went to the airport basically. Now we're on to our next shoot, which is with Rochelle and her BRZ. And we're gonna have Taylor like kind of clean it with some cleaning products. We're gonna do like some slow motion shots of her cleaning the car. Just pretty much for like filler footage somewhere. There was like more of a storyline to this before, but I'm just in the zone where I'm just like really tired and don't want to do too much anymore. And we have a ton of footage, so I'm just gonna get like some slow mo shots of her cleaning the car in the bikini in slow mo. She's got a pretty cool house, so it looks nice in the background. We're gonna put her Golf in the driveway, in the carport, and this car here because there's some yard and some grass, which looks really cool. And I'll flip the camera around. It looks really cool with the car in the driveway here. I can walk into it this way, and from the front of the driveway, it looks really neat. So this shot will be like the one that we use. boy.
Three flavors, cars get mint chocolate chip.
Oh, hey!
How's it going?
Oh, it's great, dude.
Huh?
It's great. Guys, just be careful. Kang, what time is it? What? What time is it?
It's 4:20.
Place it. Oh, and car's still not touch us. Thank God. Oh, it's the longest last day ever. Yeah. Mementos. Mementos. Memories. Memories of things I want to forget. It's killing the game, honestly. That Sony Pentax 300.